Okay, door close. Okay, in the last class we have to discuss the arithmetic progressions concept alva. Sum of the first n terms of AP ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ PU. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Nodi, the sum of the first 7 terms is equal to what? 49 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ sum of the 17 terms is equal to what? 289 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ find the sum of first n terms of n terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ Sn ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ the given is what? Like that S7 is equal to what? 49 and clear S17 is equal to 289. Clear? To find Sn. Clear? Sn. The sum of 7 terms is equal to 49 and the sum of 17 terms is equal to what? 289. To find Sn. ನೋಡಿ, Sn ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? This is what? The sum of the n terms of an AP. Clear? So that ನೋಡಿ, first one ಏನಿದೆ? S7 is equal to what? 49. So that S7 is equal to 49 ಅಂದರೆ n is equal to what? n is equal to 7 and Sn is equal to what? 49. Clear? So that ನೋಡಿ, Sn clear? ನೋಡಿ, S7 is equal to clear 7 by 2 into what? 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Clear? What is the value of n? N is equal to 7. Clear? S7 is equal to what? 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. 2a plus 6d. Clear? ನೋಡಿ, therefore what? ನೋಡಿ, 49 by 7, ಈ 7 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? ನೋಡಿ, 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ, 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? a plus 3d. Clear? 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ a plus 3d. Clear? Look at 7 ones are 7, 7s are 2 cancel. Therefore a plus 3d is equal to 7. We call it as equation number 1. Clear? ನೋಡಿ, a plus 3d equals to what? 7. We call it as equation number 1. Next S17 is equal to what? 289. Clear? So that using Sn formula, clear? S17 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Clear? So that S17 289 clear is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. Clear? 17 minus 1 16d. Clear? Look at 289 by 17 is equal to 1 by 2 common tegiri. Clear? 2 into what? A plus 8d. Clear? A plus 8d. Clear? 2 cancel. 17 ones are 17 sevens are. Clear? So that again I told, therefore a plus 8d is equal to what? 17. We call it as equation number 2. Clear? So that using equation 1 and equation 2 we getting the value of d value ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. equation 1 ಮತ್ತೆ equation 2 ಎರಡನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, from equation 1 and 2 1 and 2 clear ನೋಡಿ a plus 3d is equal to what 7 a plus 8d is equal to what 17 clear so that look at minus 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 to change the sign cancel minus 5d is equal to minus 10 clear minus minus cancel therefore what 5d clear 5d is equal to what 10 d is equal to what 10 by 5 clear d is equal to what 2 5 ones are 5 twos are d is equal to what 2 d na value ಏನು ಬಂತು 2 ಬಂತು clear minus minus cancel ಆಯಿತು d is equal to 10 by 5 5 ones are 5 twos are clear put d is equal to 2 in equation number 1 equation number 1 ಗೆ d value ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ clear so that ಏನು ಬಂತು a plus 3d is equal to what 7 a plus 3 into 2 we getting a plus 6 3 2s are 6 a plus 7 minus 6 a is equal to what 1 clear 6 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 6 ಆಯಿತು a is equal to what 1 now to find what ನೋಡಿ to find SN ಈಗೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು SN ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ SN ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ SN ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಓಕೆ we have to write now to find SN clear now we know that a is equal to 1 d is equal to 2 a is equal to 1 d is equal to 2 so that SN formula is nothing but what n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d n minus 1 into d clear so that n is equal to what n is equal to what n clear so that n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 clear so that n by 2 clear n by 2 2 ones are 2 plus multiply ಮಾಡಿ 2n minus 2 clear 2n plus into minus 2 ones are 2 clear n by 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel into what 2n 2 cancel clear so that SN is equal to n into n square clear ನೋಡಿ n into n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ clear ನೋಡಿ n into n square the sum of the first n terms is equal to what n square ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ S7 and S17 ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ a ಮತ್ತೆ d ಮತ್ತೆ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ d ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬಂತು 2 ಬಂತು ಆ 2 ಬಂದಿರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ d is equal to 2 ಬಂದಿದ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ಅಥವಾ 2 ಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ to find the SN is nothing but what n square the sum of the first n terms is equal to what n square clear okay next problem second problem find three consecutive terms is an AP whose sum is 18 and sum of their squares squares is 140. 140. Find the numbers. Clear? Find the numbers. Clear? Find 3 consecutive terms is an AP whose sum is 18 and sum of their squares is 140. Clear? Find the numbers. Nodi 3 consecutive terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ a minus d a plus d. Clear? ಅದರ ಸಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ 18. Clear? So that sum of their squares, ಆ ಮೂರು terms ನ sum of their squares ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 140. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ a minus d. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? a minus d ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ a plus d ಮೂರನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. let the three numbers a minus d, a plus d. Clear? According to question, look at the 3 consecutive positive terms is an AP. His sum is 18. His sum is what? 18. Clear? Sum andre a minus d plus a plus d is equal to what? 18. Clear? So that minus d plus d cancel. 3a is equal to what? 18. A is equal to what? 18 by 3. A is equal to what? 6. 3 ones are 3. 6 are. Clear? A is equal to what? 6. Clear? So that next a value ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು. So that ನನಗೆ d value ಬೇಕು. d value ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ look at the sum of their squares. their squares. ಇದರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. sum of their squares is equal to what? 140. is equal to what? 140. It implies, clear, a minus d whole square plus a square plus a plus d whole square is equal to 140. is equal to what? 140. Clear? Sorry, sum of their squares. Therefore we know that the value of, like it first explain ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. we know that a square plus d square, clear, plus minus 2ad, clear, plus a square, clear, a square plus d square plus 2ad is equal to what? 140. clear? ನೋಡಿ a minus d whole square na explain ಮಾಡೀನಿ. a square plus d square minus 2ad plus a square plus d square plus 2ad is equal to what? 140. clear? So that what is the value of a? a na value ಏನು? 6. clear? So that minus 2ad plus 2ad cancel. clear? 6 square plus d square 2d square plus what? 6 square is equal to what? 140. is equal to what? 140. Therefore what? 36 plus 2d square plus 36 is equal to what? 140. clear? So that nodi 72 plus 2d square is equal to what? 140. 2d square is equal to what? 140 minus 72. clear? minus 72. we getting what? ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 2d square is equal to 140. clear? 140 minus 72. we getting what? ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2d square is equal to what? 68. clear? 60 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 68. clear? 140 minus 72. clear? So that what? 68. we getting what? d square is equal to, wait one ನಿಮಿಷ. So that wait ವೈಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು, ಸಾರಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 3 ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಡಿ 2d ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಸಾರಿ, 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ 140. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇತ್ತು, 1 ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಾರಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ 36 ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2d ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 36 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 36 is equal to what 140 clear. So that ನೋಡಿ 36 plus 36 plus 36 108 plus what 2d square is equal to what 140 clear. 2d square is equal to what 140 minus 108, 2d square is equal to what, we getting what ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 32 clear. 32 d square is equal to what 32 by 2, therefore what d is equal to what, d square is equal to what 16, 2 ones are 2 16s are, d is equal to plus or minus square root of 16, d is equal to plus or minus 4, therefore what d is equal to 4 or d is equal to minus 4 clear. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 2ad ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2adನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2d ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ 3a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, 3a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ 3a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ 108 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ 32 ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 32, ವಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ d is equal to plus or minus 4, d is equal to 4 or d is equal to minus 4. So that find the numbers andre very simple. Case first a is equal to what 6, d is equal to what plus 4 clear. So that 3 numbers a minus d, a plus d clear. So that 6 minus 4 6 plus 4, we getting what 2 6 10, 2 6 10 clear. So that next minus case 2, a is equal to what 6, d is equal to what minus 4, d is equal to what minus 4 clear. ನೋಡಿ 6 of minus 4, 6 minus d value minus 4 clear, 6 minus 4, therefore what 6 plus 4 6 2, therefore what 10 6 2 clear. Let therefore the three numbers are 2 6 10 and 10 6 2 when a is equal to 6, d is equal to 4. When a is equal to 6, d is equal to minus 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 10 6 2 ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ. Okay, this is the final answer clear. Okay, next one. Next one. The sum of six terms, which form an AP is 345. The difference between the first and the last term is 55. Find the terms clear. ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ 6 terms which form an AP is what? 345. Clear? The difference between the last term and the first term we getting what? 55. Clear? Find the terms. Find the terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ A6 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ 6 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ 6 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 6 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? 345. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? and the difference between first and last term, the difference between first and last term ನೋಡಿ, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. Look at A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. The difference between the last term ಅಂದ್ರೆ A6, first term ಅಂದ್ರೆ A, ಅಂದ್ರೆ the difference between A6 minus A. Clear? Is equal to what? 55. The difference between the last term A6 minus A is equal to what? 55. Therefore, the difference between the A6 and A is equal to what? 55. Clear? So that find the terms. Clear? So that we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? So that we getting what? S6 is equal to 6 by 2. Clear? 2a plus 6 minus 1 into D. Clear? So that S6 is what? 345. Clear? 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Clear? Therefore 2a into what? 5D. Clear? So that 2a plus 5D is equal to 345 by 3. Clear? Look at 2a plus 5d. E 3 denominator hoಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 ones are, 5s are. Clear? Okay. 2a plus 5d is equal to what? 115. 2a plus 5d is equal to what? 115. Clear? So that we call it as equation number 1. We call it as equation number 1. Clear? ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ the difference between the last term and the first term we getting what? 55. So that A6 minus A is equal to what? 55. Look at A6 andre A plus 5D minus A is equal to what? 55. Minus A plus A cancel. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ D ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. D ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 5D is equal to what? 55. D is equal to what? 55 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 11s are. D is equal to what? 11. D is equal to what? 11. So that D ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯಿತು. ನಮಗೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ D ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯಿತು. ನನಗೆ A ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. A ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1ಗೆ D ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಪುಟ್ D is equal to 11 in equation number 1. Clear? 2a plus 5d is equal to what? 115. Clear? 2a is equal to 115 minus 5d plus 5d ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ minus 5d. Therefore what? 2a is equal to 115 minus 5 into 11. Clear? 5 into 11. 2a is equal to 115 minus what? 55. Therefore what? 2a is equal to what? 60. 115 minus 55, 60. Therefore 2a is equal to 60. A is equal to what? 60 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 30s are. A is equal to what? 30. A is equal to what? 30. ಏನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬಂತು? 30 ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? A1 is equal to what? A. 6. A2 is equal to what? A plus B is nothing but what? 6 plus, so that A value ಏನು? So that A value 6 ಬಂದಿದೆ, D value ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 11. sorry. A value 30, D value 11. Clear? D value 11 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So that find the terms. A1 is equal to what? A 30. Clear? A2 is equal to what? A plus D. Clear? 30 plus 11 equals to what? 41. Clear? Okay. A3, A plus 2D is equal to what? Nodi, 30 plus 2 into 11. Clear? 2 into 11. Nodi, 30 plus 2 into 11. We getting what? 30 plus 22. A3 is equal to what? 52. Clear? Next, A4 is nothing but what? A plus 3D. Therefore 30 plus 3 into 11, we getting what? 33. Therefore A4 is equal to what? 63. Clear? Nodi, 11 increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. This is what A1, this is what A2, this is what A3, this is what A4. Next, last, A5 is equal to what? A plus 4D. Clear? ಏನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ? 30 plus 4 into 11. We getting what? A5 is equal to what? 30 plus what? 44. We getting what? 74. We getting what? 74. Clear? We getting 74. Therefore A6 A plus 5D. Clear? ಏನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? 30. 5 into 11. Clear? 5 into 11. Therefore 30 plus 55. Therefore what? A6 is equal to what? 85. A6 is equal to what? 85. Therefore the terms 30, 41, 52, 63. Clear? 74. Clear? 85. Clear? Nodi, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore the 6 terms 30, 41, 52, 63, 74, 85. Clear? Nodi, the first term A1, A2, 41, A3, 52, A4, 63. Clear? A5, 74, A6, 55. Clear? The terms, find the terms anta helidru. Okay, this is another problem. Okay, thank you.